Hello, good afternoon class. Welcome with intermediate class with Miss Putri Alawiyah from English Academy Batu Raja. Our material today is about demonstrative pronoun or this and that. As you have already discussed about part of body, when you want to mention the thing near with you, you have to use this. It means that ini. Ketika kalian belajar materi di minggu yang lalu menggunakan benda-benda di dalam rumah, maka kamu akan menggunakan demonstrative pronoun, yaitu ini. Artinya untuk menunjukkan benda yang ada di dekatmu. And that it used for the thing that far from you. Jadi untuk menunjukkan benda yang jauh darimu. Okay, let's continue our lesson. It's about demonstrative pronoun singular this and that. Jadi ada dua macam dari demonstrative pronoun itu sendiri. Dipisahkan menjadi dua, yaitu singular and plural. Kalau dia singular berarti menggunakan this and that. Artinya untuk satu benda. Kalau dia lebih dari satu maka menggunakan plural. Maka these and those. Tapi pada kesempatan kali ini kita akan membahas tentang this and that. This is used for the thing near with you, and that used for the thing that far for you. Far with you. Jadi kalau this itu digunakan untuk benda yang dekat, and that digunakan untuk benda yang jauh. This is used for the object or the thing or the person near you. This is my book. This is my dog. This computer is a stupid machine. That is used for the object or the thing or the person that far from you. That car is my father's. That store is very far from the earth. I like to go to that country. We use this, that with a noun. Jadi kita menggunakan this sama that itu dengan kata benda. This apple, that apple. Bendanya satu. We use that as demonstrative pronoun to refer to something which happened. Kita menggunakan that sebagai demonstrative pronoun untuk menunjukkan sesuatu yang baru saja terjadi. Jadi tidak hanya itu pada benda yang jauh, tapi menyatakan kata ganti. Misal, Hi John, I'm sorry I didn't phone you yesterday. I was busy. Halo John, maaf aku tidak menelponmu kemarin. Aku sibuk. Hi Jan, that's alright. How are you? Jadi that's alright di sana bukan itu jauh, tapi sebagai demonstrative pronoun menyatakan itu. Okay. That's the end of this class. Your homework is to study all the irregular verb. There will be a task on Monday. That was boring. That was boring di sana itu menunjukkan demonstrative pronoun atau kata ganti dari test on Monday. Okay? So di kalimat ini ibunya menyatakan bahwa ini adalah akhir dari pembelajaran. PR kamu adalah untuk mempelajari semua kata kerja yang tidak beraturan. Akan ada tes di hari Senin. That was boring. Jadi that di sana sebagai demonstrative pronoun to the test that will be held on Monday. Okay. Next, we use that as a demonstrative pronoun to refer to something or somebody has just said. Okay, misal, You are Mrs. Smith, aren't you? Yes, that's right. Seperti yang di awal tadi kita menjelaskan tentang that's alright, di sini menggunakan that's right. You are Mrs. Smith, aren't you? Kamu Ibu Smith kan? Menggunakan question tag. Yes, that's right. Ya, itu benar. Itu di sana sebagai demonstrative pronoun atau menyatakan she is Mrs. Smith. And next, David and I are getting married. I didn't know that. Congratulations. That di sana sebagai pernyataan atau statement to the David and the girl that getting married. Jadi David dan aku akan menikah. Wah, aku tidak tahu itu. Itunya di sana sebagai the information that stated by the girl with red hair. Okay. Good news, there is nothing wrong with you. Oh, doctor, that's fantastic. Berita yang baik, tidak ada masalah denganmu. Wah, dokter, that's luar biasa. Itu luar biasa. That's di sana adalah untuk menyatakan keluar biasaan dari informasi dari dokter itu. Maksudnya that's fantastic, itu luar biasa karena penggunaan that's di sana sebagai demonstrative pronoun. We use this is and is that on the telephone. Good morning, is that Mr. Jackson? Selamat pagi, apakah ini Mr. Jackson? Yes, this is John Jackson. Okay, that di sana digunakan untuk pertanyaan kalau diawali dengan to be, misalnya, is that Mr. Jackson? Is that you, Mr. Jackson? Yes, this is John Jackson, kata yang laki-laki. Is that Mrs. Nolan? Yes, this is Angela Nolan from head office. Okay, we use this is to introduce people. Kita juga menggunakan this is untuk memperkenalkan orang. Anna, this is Job Hall, the finance director. Bob, this is Anna Peters, my new personal assistant. Okay, this ini digunakan untuk memperkenalkan seseorang. How many? Can you remember? Okay, seperti yang sudah dijelaskan tadi ya. Ini Miss tutupin nih. Kalau bendanya hanya satu dan dekat denganmu, maka menggunakan this. This is my book. This is my dog. This computer is a stupid machine. That is used for the object or the thing or person that far from you. That car is my father's. That store is very far from the earth. I'd like to go to that country. Now talk about the things near you or the things in the room using this and that. Okay, now I need you to tell me about the things that near with you and tell me about the things that far from you by using the demonstrative pronoun this and that. Jadi Miss minta kalian untuk menjelaskan benda yang ada di dekatmu menggunakan this apa atau that. And then finally little story. There's a big egg. Look, that is a crocodile. Karena telurnya di dekat jadi menggunakan this is a big egg. And then look at that is a crocodile. Jadi karena buayanya jauh jadi menggunakan that. Well, that wasn't difficult, was it? Jadi itu nggak sulit kan? Yeah, there are two kinds of demonstrative pronoun that we have been discussed today. It's about that and also this. Kalau this digunakan untuk benda yang dekat, while that used for the thing that far from you. Exercise. This belong to the question number 1. Jadi ini untuk PR kalian nomor 1. Menggunakan this or that. Number 2. Fountain. By using this or that. Number 3. Karena ini ada bendanya lebih dari satu. Jadi tersisipkan di sama those ya. Atau those. Okay, karena dia bisa hold the marbles, it means that bendanya dekat tuh. Kalau dia dekat, berarti antara this sama these. Okay, number 4, notebook, bendanya jauh. And the last one is an apple, atau apple. Bendanya anggap saja sebagai dekat. Okay, class, I think that's enough for today about our material of demonstrative pronoun, the singular one. We use this and that. Hope you all always keep your spirit high to study, and don't forget to always keep your health and wash your hand regularly. Thank you so much for your nice attention. See you next week and bye bye.